Here's a quick introduction to Newton's second law of motion. Let's learn physics. His first and second laws are closely related. Second law puts numbers to Newton's first law, and here it is. That's the equation. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force applied to it and inversely proportional to its mass. Or you can just write down the equation and remember that it's the net force, not just any force. But since "may the net force be with you" doesn't make any sense, we just forget about the fact that it's the net force in many textbooks. Now for some mathematical relationships. Imagine that the net force is held constant. If the mass goes up for the constant net force, the acceleration will go down. It's kind of obvious. If the mass goes down, the acceleration will go up. These are inversely related. Here's the graph. You can see that as the mass increases, the acceleration decreases. Now hold the mass constant. Use just one object. Increase the net force, the acceleration will also increase. Decrease the net force, the acceleration will also decrease. Here's the graph. It's linear, and the slope is equal to the mass. So keep it in your little skull that Newton's second law is an equation. And it's not just F equals ma, it is sigma F equals ma. The net force is equal to the mass times acceleration.